The next step in completing our vest is to complete the vest lining. If you remember, the vest front came in one piece. The vest front lining comes in two pieces that we have to sew together. And the easiest way to do that is to look at both pieces, and you can see that they come together and look like the front. Here's the other side. And then what you need to do is pin that seam, which is a little bit different because it has two curves. One curve goes outward and one curve goes inward. So what we want to do, as you take a look at it, is put right sides together, and what you can see is that they don't exactly match. So what we want to do is pin them together, start at the notch. You can see it doesn't lie flat, and then this part is pretty straight up to the shoulder seam, and what you'll notice is that you have that 5/8 inch overlap again where it comes together, and pin that together, and then come to the bottom, and the same thing happens at the bottom because it matches right here. So you pin that part together with the edges matching. And then you meet your seam allowances, your seam edges. And what you'll notice is this doesn't lie flat because it is a curve. These are those curved seams we were talking about. And you'll notice I started in the middle and worked to either edge. Sometimes if you start at the top or the bottom, it stretches your fabric and one side ends up longer than the other. Okay, this is all pinned together and you can see it's not lying flat, but when you turn it over, like so, you get the curved edge that you're looking for, and the seam goes to the side. So what I will do is pin both of these seams together and stitch them together with a 5/8 inch seam, and you can see how it comes together and looks like the outer vest. Okay, it's just a little tricky when you have that curve, but if you lay it down and pin it together, but notice it doesn't stay flat, and now I will sew it together with a 5/8 inch seam.